Welcome to my channel. How to set up Arris Surfboard SB8200. 1. Unbox your modem. Remove the Arris SB8200 modem and accessories, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and user guide, from the packaging. 2. Find a suitable location. Place the modem in a well-ventilated area near your cable outlet and power source. Ensure it is not obstructed by furniture or electronics. 3. Connect the coaxial cable. Screw one end of the coaxial cable into the cable port on the modem. 4. Power on the modem. Plug the power adapter into the modem and connect it to an electrical outlet. The modem will power on automatically. 5. Connect the modem to a router. If you're using a router, use an Ethernet cable to connect the modem's Ethernet port to the router's WAN/Internet port. 6. Restart the modem and router. Power off both the modem and router, if connected. Wait 10 seconds, then power on the modem first. Once the modem's lights stabilize, power on the router. 7. Test the internet connection. Open a website or perform a speed test to ensure the internet connection is active and performing as expected. 8. Secure your network. Log into your router's admin page to set up a secure Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password for your devices. Thanks for watching.